Here is how to add scroll effect in Figma for horizontal and vertical scrolling. Let's suppose we're going to do a shopping list. So here it is, it's already in a group. Okay, so first of all, let's add a frame. Okay, now let's add a rectangle and let's add our title. Okay, so now that we have this in a group, we're going to right click and select frame selection. Now let's move our list to our frame number 1, and while we hit the Control key, let's adjust our list to this frame. Once we have done that, we're going to design, clip content, then prototype, and in overflow we're going to select both directions. Let's select frame number 1 and let's run a test. If you scroll with your mouse, there it is. You can scroll vertical, and if you drag it, you can scroll vertical and horizontally. That's it, guys. Thanks.